Samo Entertainment, baby.
Indaba zakho mamko ay ubani uphila kanjani afune wena ay yini inkinga yakho mamko ay ubani utshola nobana kudingi wena ay I'm so ghetto intwana yethu zamu kulele magopo BYO ziwe Soweto via Orlando asikuve kube mnandi ibikhula boss lethi tshwala sibuze bonke umuntu olana ngathi uphethe iglase wena wahlala wedwa yini inkinga yakho bheka indaba zakho mamko yini inkinga yakho shaya for show do the dance show let's celebrate yo yeah I don't know we be legalized hit the blunt blow the smoke on the cop's face why you made umame ngendlela ungayifuni brother Hypo yini inkinga yakho yini inkinga yakho yini inkinga yakho bheka indaba zakho mamko ay ubani uphila kanjani afune wena ay yini inkinga yakho mamko ay ubani utshola nobana kudingi wena hey awumyeke man. Why you made umame ngendlela ongayifuni? I only open up to God, tell him all my problems. Hey dear, thank God for a new day. Inkinga ukuthi abahlali kumarage. Inkinga yami ukuthi ngithanda ukumnandi. Inkinga yami ukuthi ngifuna imali. Inkinga yami ukuthi siphila nama-hate. Inkinga yami ukuthi basidlela umoya. Inkinga yami ukuthi siphila nabo-tots. Uzokusek let i-phone if it ain't about the money, yo. Keep it to yourself, yep. Money inkinga phumele egcekeni. Better sit boy. I'm so iconic, young, fresh and energetic. Oh man, I'm problematic. Body, I'm so full of myself. I'm jelly, could be king a lappo. Yini inkinga yakho. Awazi gani, kale samla, uzama ZCC. I run this, live a life, uphila kayi-one. Size mjayive, wahlala wadala. Funge makande, dala kwarana, kumele egcekeni. Better sit boy. Bheka indaba zakho mamko ay ubani uphila kanjani afune wena ay yini inkinga yakho mamko ay ubani utshola nobana kudingi wena ay bheka indaba zakho mamko ay ubani uphila kanjani afune wena ay yini inkinga yakho mamko ay ubani utshola nobana kudingi wena ay